Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing okay today. I'm glad to have you here with me. Today I have another collection sent to me by Modelones. The 6-piece nude pink glitter set. So let me just dive into this. Cool little box. They've got something for everyone. These are all their 10 milliliter bottles, 0.33 fluid ounces. Of course it comes with their cards, how to get customer service, dots, their instructions, their ingredients, all that good stuff. Comes in their tray. Let me get these out real quick. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is just swatch each color out so I can see what they are. And then I'm going to try some nail art with them. I'm thinking a dotted cure, maybe on a couple of nails, I'm not sure. It comes with 1018. Look at that, that's a pretty color. I'm just going to swatch one thin coat so that I don't waste product, and then I'll decide as I'm going what I'm going to put on my nails. I'm going to give each of these a 30-second cure in my 48-watt lamp and then top coat them as we go. The second color up is 1014. I don't know why I play with them. I just should let it sit and it'll self-level out. Okay, this is 1410. Look at that bright purple. Whoa, since I just had it upside on its side, it's like all over my brush head. Not brush head. You know, the hard part of the brush. I don't know what you call that. The stem. Look at that. That's a bright purple. Okay, we have 1477, a bright pink. I'm thinking Valentine's Day dotted cure, maybe? I'm not sure. I often forget, gels, you just go sideways, you let it self-level. If I was doing 2 coats, it would be completely streak-free. Just be patient with it. I always forget just to be patient with it. The next color is 1343. I didn't have very much on my brush. So your streaks, if you don't put very much on, they will level out. But I like to just help it along. The last color in this collection is 1017. A gorgeous baby pink, right up my kind of color. I'm going to try to use some colors that I don't typically use. Like, I'm not a nude girl, but I'm going to try to use one that's kind of nude. Okay, I decided I'm going to do a dotted cure on this nail, and I'm going to try some of the other colors out, and I'm going to try out some of my new SheModern Galaxy colors. I haven't tried the white yet. I have tried the red over a light pink that was like a sheer pink. I'm gonna give it a try over some of these creams, and I'm just gonna go for it. This one I know I want to do the dotted cure, so I'm gonna do that in the nude color, and I'm just going to pick some other colors out for my other nails. Let's start with the one I know I'm gonna do. This is 1014. And when I was putting some out on the palette, I got a little bit on my nails. I had a whole mess, I cured it. So, yeah. Got a little lump in there. Fuzzy on here. I spilled stuff all over the place. I've got a mess here. I was trying to clean up just now. Let's see if I can get, there was a lump underneath the polish. Yep, got it gone. Good. So let's see, what other colors do I want to try? Let's do this one since it's kind of close to that one. I'm going to put them all on that middle nail. I'm trying to figure out which ones I want to try with the Galaxy glitters. Well, this nail has some damage, so I want to cover that up. the damage is under my nail, it's not actually on my nail. And I'm gonna dare to put my thumb in the lamp at the same time. May come out wonky. I'm not sure how great I got my base coat on, so I'm not putting it all the way to my skin because I want to be able to take it off easier. So let me cure these, put another coat on and cure these. I have 2 coats, all cured in between, and I put a little bit of each one out on the palette. And I'm just going to get out a dotting tool. I'm not sure which one. I think this one. You can use, they usually have 2 ends, whatever colors you want. I'm just going to do a dotted cure here with quite a few of these colors. I'm going to have to cure in between each color so that I can wipe it off if I don't like it. But cure fully on creams, I have found that out. Trust me, it doesn't bode well to flash cure creams. And I just place it down. If you pull it up really fast and there's a tail, just let it sit. And then the little tail will be gone. So I'm gonna cure this and keep this away from your lamp. I already cured one by accident. If you want to make it bigger or rounder, just move your little tool around. I'm finding these dots are quite adequate for what I want. Seen a lot of people doing these type of dotted cures. I wanted to give it a try for myself. If you don't like your dotted cures being lumpy, with gel, once you cure it, you can buff it down after you wipe off the tacky layer. I'm gonna give this a full cure. I probably should have started with completely opposite colors to make sure that I got, lighter, brighter, darker. So I'm gonna do some light ones in here to make sure that I get them in as well. And makes them go over halfway. Nothing in that spot. Give this a cure again. And in between, just wipe off your dotting tool of any colors. And I'm a little lost at what color I used, what color I didn't use between these two. I think I didn't use. The dotted cures dotting my eyes. Yep. Nope, I used that color. Just wipe it off. A little alcohol. That's what I'm wiping my dotting tool on. It's just a little alcohol swab. Because I just happen to have that sitting here. So which one did I just use? I don't know. That's the new color. There we go. I think just need to fix this little pink one up a little bit. Okay, now I'm done with these, I think. So I'm just gonna put them to the side, give this a cure. I just decided I'm gonna use my SheModern stencil number 18, at least on my thumbnail, and see what I can get out of this beautiful stencil. This was like the one that really drew my eye to the stencils. You just pull them off. I like to decide which side is going to be my glitter side. And make sure you don't have anything from your last use on it. I'm going to decide that so you could put it any way you want on the nail. I could do right at the base of my nail. Could do all over my nail. I could do a line going down my nail. I think I'm gonna start with the base of my nail. Just make a decision already. I have the white. Nope, not gonna use that. I'm gonna use the white. This is the original white iridescent glitter. This is the white glitter. It's not hollow, it's just white glitter. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna need. If you do it onto a stamper that is flattened out, I've flipped it over, you can by all means touch it, because stampers you can touch. Gel polish you don't want to touch. Just realized I don't have anything to catch my glitter on. So I got my mixing canvas out. Now I've got some leftovers. So lint roller or tape, whichever you prefer. I just find that tape's a little bit easier to control because it's smaller. And I forgot to clean off my stamper first, so I have a little bit of fuzz right there. Get that off. Anything on this side shouldn't be bothering me because I'm not using that side of the stamp. And I'm just gonna stamp what I want on my nail. So I didn't need the last two hearts. And anything that you get in the middle, especially since it's white on red, you can just flick off the little pieces. I like that, that's cute. Gold would be a great color too. Tempted to pull out my gold to do a gold line. This is gonna call for the lint roller. Clean it off real good. And notice I do have my stamper head in upside down, in case I didn't mention that. I get out my gold Holo iridescent sparkling. The Holo now comes with a black lid. They're redoing their inventory. But I've already had this marked for a couple years, so I haven't decided to. Ooh, I put way too much down. If I keep it over the stamp or over the stencil, it'd be easier to clean up as well. Flip it, pull it off. I need to get some stickier tape. This is like glitter stamping. It's basically the same thing, you're just doing it with glitter. I've got a few stragglers on here. I could just redo it all, but I think that'll be okay. And then you can just line it up where you want it. Push it down as many times as you want. And you can still clean up stragglers if you're really particular. I mostly just don't want it over the edge so I can top coat it in. So now I want to try, you know what, I should try, since I did white and gold on here, I should try the gold. Just a little stippling brush. You can use a makeup brush, whatever you like. Okay, maybe that wasn't the greatest idea. But I do know when you top coat it, it changes the color still. So let's try. Just a little bit more. Now it looks like a complete mess. Maybe I did mess it up. I really don't know. I haven't used the gold one yet. I'm going to try so that you can see before I finish. On these other nails, I'm gonna try the red, the white. They both are twinkling, they have glitter, so they have a black lid now. I could try some purple, but now that I've lost my tacky layer on this because I was playing with alcohol, so let me put some glue gel down. Glue gel. Mine has the orange top. Some of them are coming with different colors. Give them all a good coat. I got some fuzzies in there. Give these a cure. Okay, let's see. Which color should we do? White over red, I guess would look okay. red over pink. Sure that'll match. Do you top coat it in, you can just wipe your nails on down. Which one didn't we use yet? Purple. Let's try purple. When you wash your hands after you top coat, all the glitter will just come off. It's just glitter. Ooh. These are all so pretty. Get any loosey-gooseys off of there. Now that I've got them all colored, get my loosies off. This one was my white one. I didn't get quite over here. So I may have a little bit of the color mixed up. It's just a reflection of the color. It's not that bad. Again, I clean this off with a lint roller. It's easier. Same for this. I just wiped it with the lint roller since I didn't touch any gel. I shouldn't have any gel on there, so I don't need to use alcohol. Now I'm just going to sandwich it back so that any bends that I put in it will be out for next time's use. I know y'all ready to see it top coated in, especially my thumb. Okay, I've got Modelones top coat, and I'm just going to top coat it in. This should be the white. It's pretty. If you got a black brush, you usually can tell if you've made a boo-boo. You need to wipe it off. But I'm gonna dedicate this bottle as my Modelones glitter bottle. Oh, glitter just, oh, I forgot this finger. Well, we'll have to rectify that. We'll see which of the colors I like the best with these colors, and we'll top coat that. And let's see if these came out. Well, I can see the hearts. I shouldn't have used the clear. I should have used nothing or the clear sheer. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash my hands and get all this glitter off. And that just shows you some of the variations you can get with the different colors of the SheModern. This was white, this was purple, this was red, that was red. This was my mess. I did gold. I did white iridescent, gold iridescent, and gold galaxy. I'm really loving these galaxy colors. That's just calling my name. I love them. I love them. You can add a shine of a glittery shine of any color that they have to any color polish that you have. I have to give these a wash up and take a picture at the end. These are the 6-piece colors. SheModern did send me a couple of these to try out, and I bought plenty more. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Stay tuned for the reveal shots. Have a great day everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.